Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa khabar tuan-tuan dan puan-puan yang bersama-sama dengan kita dalam SmartSaham Bursa Chitchat. Okay, weekly market update. Okay, apa khabar tuan-tuan dan puan-puan? Okay, sebelum saya memanjangkan cerita, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan dijemput untuk apa? Komen dulu sama ada kita punya sesi live ni, kita punya audio dan visual kita macam mana. Okay, kalau okey ataupun ngam, okey, komen ngam kat situ. Kalau tak okey, bagi tahu supaya kita boleh take immediate action untuk sesi kita pada hari ini, insya-Allah. Okey. Apa cerita kan? Okey, market pada hari ini dengar kata memang agak bermuram durja juga, ramai trader dekat luar sana yang nak kata macam mana bersedih-sedihan pun ada. Okay, yang ada yang pisang terus pun ada yang memang tak tahu apa nak jadi pun ada. Okay, so basically market hari ni pun agak mencabar untuk mereka-mereka yang berada dalam market ini, tapi agak menarik. Okay? Adalah benda-benda yang agak menarik berlaku dekat market hari ini. Cuma ada dia punya menarik tu ke arah kebaikan ataupun ke arah kerisauan ataupun ke apa kemakmuran. Bukan kemakmuran ni. Ini kejahanaman. Okey, sorry lah gunakan perkataan tu, tapi dia I think you guys boleh get the idea lah. Okey, Tuan Ahmad Bakhtiar ngam, alhamdulillah. Okey. Tuan Muhammad Nasif Cun terbaik, alhamdulillah. Terima kasih tuan-tuan dan puan yang bersama-sama kita. Okey. Jangan lupa sharekan kita punya sesi Bursa Chitchat kita pada hari ini. Boleh share dekat you punya group Telegram, boleh share dekat you punya group WhatsApp, boleh share dekat sahabat-sahabat, rakan-rakan, sebab basically hari ni ada few things yang kita nak cover hari ini. Okay, so ada beberapa opportunity ada beberapa opportunity yang kita nampak dia macam blessing in disguise. Okay, the blessing in disguise. So apa khabar? Apa khabar market kita hari ini? Okey. Terciduk. Terciduk. Itulah ramai yang terciduk hari ni especially dekat end of station pun lagi ramai yang terciduk. Assalamualaikum Tuan Azwan. Waalaikumsalam. Okey, apa khabar? Daripada mana? Daripada mana tuan-tuan dan puan-puan bersiaran ataupun mengikuti kita punya live hari ni? Ada tak yang dalam kereta? Ada tak yang daripada dalam kereta ke, yang tengah nak balik kerja ke, ataupun yang baru nak pergi kerja ke? Waalaikumsalam Tuan Amjad. Okey. Buat apa tu? Tengah makan ke apa? Okey. Okey. Oh dekat KL. Okey. Nice. Boleh lah kita lepak kali nanti, kita minum-minum main. Okey. Okey. Right. Oh, tengah makan. Betul saya punya tekaan tu. Maksudnya betul lah tu, tengah makan. Okay, so kita beralih kepada kita punya slide untuk hari ni. Market buat Black Friday sale. Yes. Okay, Tuan Reza Shah. Okay, alright. So Black Friday tak Black Friday, kita tengok dulu apa cerita market kita pada hari ni. Okay, so okay, daripada tengok kat sini pun, okay, kita boleh tahu Nikkei drop. Okay, Shanghai pun jatuh, Hang Seng pun jatuh, Shenzhen pun jatuh. Okay, Singapore punya index pun jatuh. Kemudian Malaysia market pun jatuh juga pada hari ni. Okay, ini disebabkan oleh beberapa faktor yang menekan, especially on the global market itself. Okay, kalau kita tengokkan dekat Dow Jones, Dow Jones mencatatkan penurunan. Kemudian itu memberikan kebimbangan actually kepada the overall stock market. It's not about Malaysian stock market only, but we are talking about the global punya sentiment, global punya outlook untuk stock market especially. So That's the thing. What's happening? What's happening in the global punya scale. So kalau kita nak tengokkan market hari ni, okay, basically we can really understand is that not that just Malaysia market is having bad sentiment, okay, but we also can see in the global perspective the sentiment is also bad actually. Okay, kalau kita tengokkan hari ni Malaysia market not that bad actually, not that bad. Okay, not that bad. Maksudnya ada market-market lain yang lebih lebih kurang menggemarkan, okay, dan lebih banyak okay, selling pressure in the market-market yang lain. Okay, kalau kita tengokkan untuk year to date, okay, year to date untuk kita punya FBM KLCI, we can see dia dah pecah 1520. Okay, dia dah pecah 1520 and based on my expectation it can goes down, okay, below than 1500. So current moment we can see the next immediate support is at 1520 and I mean dah break pun 1520. Kemudian orang kata the psychological support at 1500 and the next one is 1480. That is the the best, okay, the best expectation that we can expect for our local KLCI kita. Okay, but oh, okay, Keningau. Oh, Tuan Azwan dari Keningau Wow, terbaik Pelindung perdana hadir. Ush. Terbaik Right. So, for the last 5 days we can see our FBM KLCI is being pushed down. I mean the selling pressure, okay, the selling pressure we can see as early of Monday as early of Monday banyak counter yang ditekan dan mempunyai tekanan jualan yang agak agak drastik juga terutamanya. Kemudian dia pun memberikan kesan kepada orang kata large cap punya stocks, dan we can see the stock is taking what you call as immediate reaction for the market, okay, and we can see as semalam dan membawa kepada hari ini itu adalah berlaku penjualan yang sangat drastik kepada KLCI punya index. Okay, cuma untuk hari ini we can see actually there are some what we call as hope, some hope, some opportunity that come to us, okay, at the end of the trading session, okay, at the 11 hours. Kalau 11 hours tu tak sesuai lah untuk stock market Malaysia. At the fourth hour. At the fourth hour. Okay, pukul 4. Okay, pukul 4 tu dia memberikan kita peluang, terutamanya for those yang memang monitor market, for those yang memang ada dia tengok pukul 4 hari ni memang dia memberikan kita satu ruang dan peluang untuk kita take position. But yeah, we can argue about the data, but the market speak for itself. Okay, we can argue later on whatever yang saya akan bawakan selepas ini. I'm okay with most of the argument, okay, but no worries. Okay, so kalau kita tengokkan hari ni sebenarnya volume kita, okay, almost 5 billion tau. Okay, this is showing there is a rapid transaction being happen in the market. Kalau kita tengokkan for the last 2 months, we can see our trading volume is actually at 2 billion, 3 billion macam tu. But for today alone is almost 5 billion punya transaction. And I can see, okay, I can see the money is coming actually. Okay, when we are looking at the transaction volume. Dan kalau kita tengokkan untuk value of transaction, value of transaction hari ini lebih kurang dekat 3.4 billion. Okay, which is double than previous week. Almost 1 billion macam tu punya transaction saja in terms of value of transaction. So apa yang saya akan utarakan lepas ini, okay, adalah beberapa pandangan yang tidak famous, infamous punya view, dan juga quite contradict punya view. So I will give you some insights lah kat sini. Okay, yes, first time above 3 billion. Okay, first time above 3 billion. That's very strong indicator dekat situ yang kita nampak bahawa okay, there is money coming to the market. Okay, but we want to know where is the money goes to. Okay, dan itu pun bila kita nampak volume dah macam ni, value of transaction pun dah sedap, then we know there is hope for our stock market, for our local stock market. But we need to understand where to put the money and where the money goes to, so that we can take orang kata position yang baik lah kat situ. Okay, so insyaAllah saya akan kongsikan kepada tuan-tuan dan perempuan dekat mana kita boleh positionkan kita punya trade tu kalau kita ada 100 viewers pada hari ini. Okay, kalau kita ada 100 viewers, saya akan sharekan kepada tuan-tuan dan perempuan. Tapi kalau tak sampai 100 viewers, saya share separuh je lah. Okay, so tolong tuan-tuan dan perempuan sharekan kita punya sesi hari ni, so that kita hit 100, saya akan bagi direct terus. Okay, tapi kalau tak sampai 100, saya bagi hint-hint macam tu je. So kalau you nak direct, you share lah sesi hari ni. Okay, jangan lupa share kan. Bukan keluar modal apa pun. Okay, you just share saja untuk sesi hari ini. Okay, no problem. So saya bagi tuan-tuan dan perempuan pun, you have to do something lah kan kat situ, so that we have a win-win situation. You learn something, we get something, then it's a win-win situation. Alright, so we are looking into the our local boss index. Okay, blast, jangan lupa blast, letaklah dalam grup semua kan. Nanti okay, tak apalah. Okay, saya tak nak lah pergi cerita panjang sangat nanti. Dia debate banyak sangat nanti. Okay, alright. So untuk hari ni we can see actually untuk kita punya bursa ni, dia bukan calang-calang bukan cak-cak ayam punya merah ni. Okay, dia punya merah ni very genuine punya selling, dan yang paling menariknya, okay, okay, banyak pula counter yang breakout bocor ke bawah. Itu yang ramai orang pedih ini kan. Tapi it's okay, okay. It's okay. Saya pun ada beberapa portfolio yang saya dah nampak I can expect that, okay, but tak adalah orang kata severe macam ni so what's happening today is very severe. Okay, it's very severe, it's very genuine selling, dan itu pun bagi saya it give me some opportunity. Okay, it give me some opportunity. Alright, so untuk kalau kita tengok kan, untuk in term of the sectorial punya view, FMKSI obviously very bearish sentiment hari ni. Kemudian we can see the consumer products and services, okay, drop, industrial products pun drop, construction pun drop, technology, okay, technology we can see there is some weakness in the technology punya sector. Okay, kebanyakan sektor-sektor lain yang memang mengalami kejatuhan, tetapi as we know for the last 6 months technology is showing strength in terms of the sectoral, but however we can see there is some changes in the technology punya movement. We can expect some weakness in the technology punya stocks. Okay, dan ini pun ada penceritaan yang panjang lagi bab teknologi ni, disebabkan oleh ada global sentiment global sentiment yang pushing towards the EMS punya producer. Okay, EMS punya producer, yang berkaitan juga dengan ESG. If you can read the news, it's about Atta IMS, Atta IMS. So Atta IMS dia punya contract dengan Dyson is being terminated, and we can expect a few other EMS punya service provider will also being impacted from this kata situation. So that's the reality lah. That's the reality. But if we want to discuss about this situation, actually kebanyakan provider ataupun kita panggil sebagai big brands, big brands yang bergantung kepada chip, bergantung kepada wafer dan sebagainya, mereka ni dalam keadaan yang agak terdesak. So untuk kita lihat benda ni secara besar-besaran, I don't really think so. I don't really think so. Secara besar-besaran tu mungkin tidak lah. Tetapi mungkin ada beberapa providers yang akan terkena kesan ataupun dia punya tempias kat situ. So that's the thing yang we have to be aware, and we have to acknowledge lah, benda tu memang ada, dan we have to be extra careful actually. Kemudian untuk financial services, agak kuat juga penjualan untuk financial services kat situ. Kemudian property masih lagi meneruskan dia punya bearish sentiment. Plantation surprisingly, not that surprising lah, not that surprising. Kita ada cover pun kita punya sectorial punya insights for plantation, kenapa benda ni berlaku despite of the rising of the FCPO price, but plantation sector is being in the weak sentiment. So mainly disebabkan oleh keadaan ekonomi yang agak kurang memberangsangkan dan keadaan labor shortage, dan itu pun kenapa plantation cannot go higher for better situation lah kat situ. So REITs still on the REITs lah, not that bad lah actually for REITs. Kemudian untuk energy sector quite take a dip juga, about 4% di situ, mainly because of the sentiment berkaitan dengan the oil price. Oil price is being dropped quite heavily juga recently. Kemudian we can see the rise of the healthcare sector. The rise of healthcare sector, I will discuss this later on. Kenapa tiba-tiba healthcare menjadi perhatian ramai orang kat situ. Kemudian telco dan transportation menunjukkan kejatuhan, dan utilities adalah sedikit peningkatan di situ. Tuan Huzaifah, alhamdulillah Tuan Huzaifah terbaik. Jangan lupa janji kita, kalau sampai 100 orang yang watching kita punya session hari ni, saya bagi direct terus. Kalau tak sampai, then I can't do anything lah kat situ. Baik. Jadi this is the graphical view untuk kita punya local boss. Untuk local boss, memang kalau kita tengokkan for the first 2 hours of market activity, ataupun for the first session, memang betul-betul punya selling, panic selling. Mungkin ramai orang yang nak secure dia punya position, dan ada ramai orang yang nak shopping untuk Black Friday. Tadi saya baru lepas scroll untuk Adidas punya Black Friday. Apparently tak ada benda yang menarik untuk saya. Tapi mungkinlah untuk you guys adalah kasut 700 tinggal dalam berapa je kan. So dalam 200 macam tu je. So boleh lah kalau siapa-siapa nak beli. Kemudian kalau Black Friday, we have trading view pun buat Black Friday sales hari ni. So there's a lot of sales that happening today, including the stock market. I think in US punya stock market pun hari ni akan menghadapi sentimen yang agak not favorable, sebab kalau kita tengokkan untuk futures, futures pun apa tak menarik jugalah untuk hari ni. So we can expect that kind of things to happen. Okay, right. So next one, untuk apa kita nak tengok counter apa yang being traded hari ini. Solar, Burn Oil, DNEX, K Plus, Sapura Energy, Top Glove, KL, G3, Fitters, Supermax, Armada, Nextgram, Overseas, HLT, KNM, Arventa, Asia, Tawin, Tanko, Rabrax, MyEG, NWP, Itronics, Joe, QES, Focus, Inari, Luster, Iris, Without, Velestro, Data Prep. Wow, Data Prep coming to picture again. Ata IMS, JAG, AT, Public Bank, PB Bank, BJ Corp dan juga Hibiscus. Alright. So, kalau kita tengokkan kat sini, we can see the obvious gainers related to the healthcare punya sector. Right. So, kalau kita tengokkan untuk top gainers hari ni, Harta Lega mencatatkan 10% increment MPI. MPI untuk hari ni pun not that bad. About almost 1%, 48 cent. Dash Lady, Top Glove dan juga K Plus. Wow, K Plus, 25% untuk K Plus hari ni. Next one, top losers is Genetech, CAM, FNN. Wow, FNN pun mencatatkan selling pressure untuk hari ni. HIM dan juga PMB Tech. Right. So, ini kalau kita nak tengokkan counter ini ada lebih kurang 120, more or less. 120 syarikat yang mengeluarkan dia punya quarter report. Kalau kita tengokkan untuk hari ini, antara yang mencatatkan net profit 4 billion, Aurora. Aurora gila punya dia punya net profit tu, so we would like to know lah what is happening for Aurora, 4 billion itu. Kemudian Axiata, Axiata not bad juga kat situ. Ambank, DNEX, P Metal. P Metal, DNEX. DNEX mencatatkan increment yang agak signifikan. Compared to quarter on quarter and year on year. P Metal, slight improvement quarter on quarter. ABNB, SOP. Kemudian kalau kita tengok Malakoff, quite decent, 43% quarter on quarter and 32% on year. CFM, wow, buat apa ni? Sampai 20,000% increment in term of year on quarter on quarter. Net profit 61 million. 61 million ringgit kat situ. SK Price not that bad. UOA, wow, UOA development not bad kat situ. Rubberex showing quite a number of increment. Tapi Rubberex baru diumumkan tak syariah kan? Semalam dia diumumkan tak syariah. Kemudian kalau kita tengokkan yang lain-lain tu we can take a look lah untuk yang lain-lain, but I already mentioned a few kat situ. Oh, Timecom not that bad, 8% quarter on quarter. Lah. Right. So for insider move, quite a number of company yang ada insider move. Antaranya adalah Batu Kawan, MySteel, IOA Corp, Power Root, YTL, Burn Oil, MFCB, JCB Next, Runhill, IJM. Engtex, Mitra, Kenanga, Salcon, Pensonic, Fimacon, Nesin, Fima, Success, LBS, IGBB, Pentac, Croatem, Syscorp dan juga Yinsen. So kalau kita tengokkan actually this is more than usual, more than usual, dan ini antara movement ataupun kita panggil sebagai reaction yang biasa dilakukan, okay, especially when the stock price is showing orang kata weakness. Kalau stock price jatuh je, then we can see this insider is start making their move, dan ini antara benda yang kita memang dah expect pun, dan they are reacting the way that we are expecting they to do. Okay, so jangan lupa sesi temu janji kita Smart Saham Kickstart 2.0. Jangan lupa untuk mendaftar untuk kita punya sesi Smart Saham Kickstart, dan kita akan tunjukkan kepada tuan-tuan dan puan how to do the trading, the easiest way. The easiest way, dan dan apa? Dan saya dengar kata diorang nak cerita adalah few rahsia, so saya tak nak cerita kuat-kuat lah kan. So siapa yang siapa yang ni join tahulah. So saya dengar Tuan Zubir dia kata dia ada benda dia nak cerita kan. So we'll see lah what the thing that what the thing that he want to share. Alright. So siapa yang dapat lah. Right. So untuk hari ni kes sebanyak 6,132 kes COVID-19 yang didaftarkan semalam. Semalam 25 November. Kalau kita tengokkan, untuk kes yang berada dalam kategori 3, 4 dan 5 agak merisaukan juga kat situ. Almost 9% kat situ. Almost 9%. 8.9%. So round off jadi 9% kat situ. So kalau kita tengokkan, untuk kes-kes yang kategori 3 dan ke atas ni, sekarang ni we can see the cat 3 punya kes agak tinggi, dan cat 4 dan cat 5 not that high lah, not that high. But what I anticipate based on the data that we've collecting, we done our research. What concern me as a market watcher, as an analyst, it really bothers me. It really bothers me about the increase of categories 3. Category 3. And what worries me, what worries me that we may see the increase of cat 4 and cat 5 punya situation. So sekarang ni kita boleh nampak cat 3 naik kan. But later on, what worries me is the cat 4 and cat 5 punya situation. So if this thing happen, then we know the business is going to suffocate. Is going to suffer due to more restriction will be implemented as the stress on our healthcare system is being tested again. I think this is maybe for the third or for the fourth time, but I hope my analysis is wrong. I hope my analysis is wrong. That's all what I can say. Watching with current development, current data, I just hope I am wrong. I just hope I'm wrong. And I'm okay if I'm wrong, because currently what I do, I'm quite pessimist. I quite pessimist on the development of our market and our COVID situation in Malaysia. But if I'm wrong, saya bersyukur. Okay, if I'm wrong, saya bersyukur. Saya sangat doa saya salah. Okay, saya sangat berdoa saya salah. So I hope you can bear with me lah. What I'm trying to say. Yeah, right. So next one is we can see. Okay, kenapa yang saya cakap tadi tu mainly because of a few data yang saya nak present selepas ni. We know the testing. Okay, testing is on the high side. Okay, I think we can orang kata give a credit to that lah. Means that the mass testing is being done. And sekarang ni apa RM4.9 lah latest test kit. Hari ni umum RM4.9. Okay, sebelum ni RM5.5 kan. Sebelum dah RM9, RM4.5, RM5.5. Lepas tu sekarang ni RM4.90 if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So RM4.9. So I think we need more testing, dan testing ini diperlukan untuk kita cepat capture siapa yang ada COVID dan boleh being isolated dan tidak menyebabkan penularan virus yang lebih tinggi. Dan kalau kita tengokkan positivity rate, this is what is concerning me. Okay, before this we can see about 4.2, 4.5 punya positivity rate. But right now we can see the positivity rate increase to 4.7%. Okay, and we can see as November, okay, mid of November we can see the positivity rate is increasing steadily. So kalau dia keep increasing, then we know lah, we have to be extra cautious with this situation. And saya tak tahu, okay, sahabat-sahabat tuan-tuan dan puan-puan macam mana, but kalau kita macam saya punya personal punya observation, I have a lot of friends yang sebelum ni tak kena, tiba-tiba kena. Kemudian kalau dekat Facebook, Twitter saya, dekat social media yang lain, okay, I can see a lot of my friends, close friends dan juga sahabat-sahabat saya dekat social media yang orang kata detect positif dekat situ. Saya mendoakan, okay, sahabat-sahabat semua diberikan kesembuhan, okay, diberikan keselamatan untuk keluarga tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, okay, dan sama-sama kita doakan for those yang kita yang sedang melihat ni, kita sama-sama doakan sahabat-sahabat kita, okay, yang kita kenal, mungkin kita kurang kenal, okay, ataupun kita mendoakanlah semua orang diselamatkan daripada COVID-19 ni. Okay. Right. So kalau kita tengokkan untuk cases dekat Malaysia ni, okay, cases dekat Malaysia ni, we can see there is tak adalah immediate spike sangat. Okay, tak ada immediate spike. That's the good news that we can anticipate. But we can see, okay, hospital bed utilization is increasing actually. Okay, walaupun kita tahu COVID cases dekat Malaysia ni dia tidak naik terlalu mendadak, but we can see, okay, ada beberapa negeri, okay, contoh macam Melaka sudah menunjukkan peningkatan. Okay, Melaka contohnya, Pahang, okay, kemudian we can see Pulau Pinang, okay, Sabah is start making the move. Kemudian kalau kita tengokkan untuk Terengganu, okay, Terengganu showing very orang kata spike from 50% naik kepada 82%, okay, in short moment saja. So Selangor, okay, Selangor data yang sangat saya monitor untuk Selangor. So dia ada showing sign of reversal. Sign of reversal, tengah jatuh tu tiba-tiba pula kan dia nak reverse naik kat situ. So ini memberikan tanda-tanda untuk kita berhati-hati. So kalau kita tengok kan, Johor juga menunjukkan peningkatan di situ. So overall what we can say is, problem is there. The problem is there. We cannot deny this with the real issue. Okay, kalau kita tengok ICU, utilization of ICU pun meningkat juga dekat situ. Okay, kalau dekat Putrajaya tu, okay, utilization dia dah sampai 90%. So okay, before this 0% utilization untuk Putrajaya, sekarang ini dah 90%, which is very high lah kat situ. Very high. Okay, kemudian kalau kita tengokkan negeri-negeri lain pun, negeri lain pun mencatatkan apa yang kata, cuma Sarawak somehow is showing sign of orang kata improvement untuk Sarawak. Okay, the good thing, okay, we can see our R note is dropped below than 1, okay, which is the R value is okay. Okay, means that walaupun case tu meningkat tapi dia punya spreadness tu berkurang, tetapi what we concern, we do concern about the spread punya data, but apa yang lebih merisaukan saya adalah tentang the severity. Means that orang yang mendapat COVID ni, kalau kita tahu dulu, okay, 99% tu, okay, 99% adalah Cat 1 and Cat 2. But right now we can see, okay, dia dah drop. Okay, we can get that 92% only Cat 1 and Cat 2, and more is going to Cat 3. Dan ini antara satu benda yang less favorable. I have to say this. I have to say this. Quite bad actually. Kemudian where are we now? Okay, where are we now? I can see our vaccination rate is not increasing significantly. Okay, there is improvement, but not that much. But after this, vaccination is being akan roll out untuk kanak-kanak atas 5 tahun 5 tahun kan. So we hope we can get this 80%, but recent data showing that although a country that having 80% vaccination rate, it doesn't means that our population is safe. That's the thing that we have to bear in mind. Saya bukanlah nak menakut-nakutkan tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, but we are looking into the data, we are looking into the reality, and that's the thing that we have to concern actually. Okay, so fully vaccinated is 76.7%, at least one dose is at 78.7%. Okay, kita ada 7 juta rakyat Malaysia yang tidak menerima vaksin. Okay, ini termasuk mereka yang tidak boleh divaksin dan menolak vaksin. Okay, sebab okay, kena faham this 7 million ada orang kata, okay, 7 juta rakyat Malaysia menolak vaksin. You kena faham, it's not all 7 million is anti-vaksin. Okay, apa orang kata, small portion of it is anti-vaksin, and most of the people yang belum vaksinasi ni, okay, mereka tidak dapat lagi. Ada yang belum mendapat panggilan, ada yang tidak dapat disuntik lah untuk menerima vaksin. So I hope for this our adolescent, because I already conducted a survey lah. Kadang-kadang we can see this underage they want to get a vaccine, but apparently their parents is not giving them the consent to get the vaccine. So that's quite sad lah for me. That's quite sad. But apa yang kita nak boleh buat, unless the government taking any action against these anti-vaccines, but I don't really think so. I don't really think so in the short term. Alright. So we are not just looking into the stocks that having this selling pressure, but we can see the thing also is happening into the Bitcoin, because there is some debate. There is some debate that people are saying that, the market is having a high risk. The uncertainty level for the stock market is quite high right now. Dan kalau kita tengokkan untuk VIX index, VIX index semua mencatatkan peningkatan juga kat situ. VIX index. So this confluence is our data that's showing the market risk is high, the uncertainty is high, and there are some claim that they're mentioning that dia kata, "Hello guys, stock market is not doing well. People are going to safe haven." So right now before this safe haven, people are referring to gold. But we can see gold pun tak favorable. And some people are saying, no, they are not going to gold anymore. They are going for Bitcoin or cryptocurrency right now. But what we can see here is for Bitcoin, it's already dropped below than 70,000 US dollar per barrel, sorry, per coin. 60,000. Dah jatuh sebelum ni. Sebelum ni saya anticipate dekat 55. 55, but current punya movement pun dah bawa bawah daripada 54,000 US dollar. So next one maybe it will test on the 52,000 to 50 to 52,000. So that's the level that I see Bitcoin will try to test 50 to 52,000. And if Bitcoin going to drop below than 50,000, there is nothing that surprise me. So for immediate movement, I think it will go to 50 to 52,000, and if it drops below than 50,000, it won't surprise me at all. So I already anticipate lah. It can go below than 50,000. Alright. So untuk Ethereum is showing the same movement. This is there are some debate lah about Bitcoin and Ethereum punya movement, but what we can see the fundamental checking in term of the economic punya point of view. We are not talking about the assets point of view. We are not talking about the isolated ataupun satu-satu coin punya fundamental. We are talking about the economic fundamental, because we can see the financial market, the stock markets, dan derivative, it will being impacted by the real economy. Then I think I already cover about the real economy issue in the budget. Ada tak link untuk kita punya session budget? Session budget kita yang hari tu. Belanjawan. So for those yang tak tengok kita punya session budget, I already talk about our real economy, our real economic indicators. Okay, kat situ siapa yang nak tengok boleh tengok dekat kita punya bahagian chat. Kita punya admin, kita punya admin ada letakkan dekat bahagian chat tu. Siapa yang terlepas, then you boleh tengok kat situ. Alright, next one untuk SRP. Wow. SRP is falling below than $1. Okay, below $1. So yeah, that's interesting for me. Okay, SRP falls below than $1. It give me some interesting news actually. Alright. Dia berbeza sikit daripada apa yang berlaku dekat Bitcoin dengan Ethereum. Dia berbeza. Okay, but what was happening for SRP is actually I'm okay with SRP dropping below than $1. Okay, alright. So untuk gold, okay, gold sebelum ni dia dah ikut dah saya punya prediction. Kemudian tiba-tiba ada sedikit hiccup in my prediction. Okay, adalah sedikit hiccup. Yang ini disebabkan oleh reappointment of Jerome Powell. Okay, Mr. Money Printer. Okay, Mr. Money Printer reappoint by Wat Biden. Okay, reappoint by Wat Biden. So bila dia reappoint, so dia memberikan sentimen yang agak bercampur juga untuk gold ni. But okay, but untuk gold ni, okay, gold ni quite interesting because daripada hiccup tu, people cannot run. Okay, people cannot run from the real data. Okay, cuma adalah dia sentiment play sikit kat situ, yes. Okay, here and there kat situ saya tak dapat nafikan lah. Tapi tiba-tiba hari ni gold naik balik. Gold naik balik. So yeah. Okay, I'm good with gold. Okay, I'm good with gold. Cuma dia ada sedikit hiccup lah kat situ. Okay, dia ada sedikit hiccup kat situ. But that's normal for any commodity. Next one is our FCPO. FCPO is trading pun quite on the strong side. Okay, still above 4,800 punya level, dan I think it will maintain. Okay, 4,800 to 5,000 punya level. I think this is very decent price range yang kita tengok for in between 4,800 and 5,000 punya level. I think there are some analysts that are giving the insight that the oil price, the pump oil price, okay, will drop below than 4,500. But I think the sentiment will continue until January. So January, okay, we want to gauge the demand for FCPO macam mana. Tapi saya rasa sampai January there is still room, okay, for FCPO trading. Okay, untuk kita punya Brent oil, Brent oil dia tak nak kalah. Okay, orang kata dah lah cukup lah kan, atas 80 tu dia nak pergi juga atas 80. Okay, tapi sekarang ni kita tengok dia berlakunya short rebound untuk kita punya Brent oil. Dan I think with this I would put my target untuk Brent oil ni, okay, below than 75. I will put below than 75. I think for the next week, okay, it can fall below than 75, and maybe they akan hover, okay, in between 72 to 75 dollar per barrel. Okay, I hope it won't fall sharply, okay, below than 72. Okay, if dia turun sampai below than 72, then there will be some massacre. Okay, so market will be extra panic if the Brent falling below than 72. Okay. All in Tuan Nabil Hassan. All in mana tu? Okay. All in kat mana tu? Alright. So we are looking to the US market. US market continue to show a divergence between the Dow Jones and S&P 500. Untuk US tech sector pun agak mix juga. Okay, agak mix juga. Ada beberapa counter yang dalam kita punya pemerhatian yang memberikan sentimen yang bercampur-campur. Kalau kita tengok kan, beberapa big guns, beberapa big guns in the orang kata tax punya industry, they are start selling their position. Okay. So when they are start selling their positions and bukan kecil-kecil punya selling tau, okay? They are selling quite a decent amount, decent numbers juga dia punya position tu. And it's about time for S&P 500 to follow the Dow Jones punya index. Dan Dow Jones index react quite orang kata predictably, okay, due to the orang kata economic situation in US market tu sendiri. Okay. So, kalau kita tengok kan, okay, what drive this situation ataupun apa yang menyebabkan Dow Jones Index tu being agak berat juga guys tu. Kalau kita tengokkan untuk personal consumption expenditures dengan personal consumption expenditure index minus food and energy. Okay. So it way above the average. Okay, kalau kita tengokkan untuk PCE, untuk PCE, okay, it way orang target dekat almost 2 lah, is go, okay, near to 5. Okay, near to 5. Okay, so I think Federal Reserve, this is the issue with Federal Reserve. Okay, this is the issue with the Federal Reserve. The issue here is, okay, the Federal Reserve is keep, okay, increasing their assets. So they are keep increasing their assets and they are keep injecting money into the economy. And we know, the issue here is, macam mana nak cakap the issue here is, okay, the oversupply of the money into the market. Okay, yes, it helps. Okay, it helps the business to grow. It helps the market to move, and it helps to give a boost in the economy. But the issue here is, okay, you can stimulate the economy. You can put a booster into the economy. But if you are not resolving the real issue here, okay, then it's just a temporary measure. Contoh macam ni lah kan. Kita ada kereta, tayar pancit, okay, kena paku. You letak lah tu apa? Ulat tu apa nama ulat tu? Cacing kan. You korek, okay, you letak cacing. So bukan kata salah you letak cacing kat situ. Okay, cacing. Saya pun tak tahu nama apa kan, tapi orang panggil cacing tayar tu kan. So ya, boleh lah tayar tu nak bergerak for another berapa bulan, tapi dia tak menyelesaikan masalah bahawa tayar tu perlu ditukar. Okay, dia cuma delaykan saja, okay, tempoh tayar tu untuk ditukar. Dan kalau you ada experience lah kan, okay, tayar yang betul-betul solid dengan tayar yang isi cacing, tayar yang isi cacing ni tayar dia lebih cepat kempis berbanding dengan tayar yang memang solid. You tukar tayar baru dan lebih tahan angin lah kat situ. So you kena banyak kali isi angin, you kena kerap lagi isi angin. Dan sampai bila you nak isi angin? Okay, kalau angin tak apalah kan, orang kata angin ni bila ada abundance, it's very abundance resource. that we can use angin. Okay, but okay, we are talking about economy. Okay, we are talking about the real economy. If the economy cannot work and the economy cannot run by itself, okay, it will, okay, it will orang kata goes into the bad way lah, into the bad way. So I think we have to have a special session dengan kita punya subscribers, okay, to prepare okay, to prepare for 2022. Okay, to prepare for 2022. So our subscribers, okay, nantikan, okay, nantikan sesi kita punya market outlook untuk 2022. Okay, there are lots of things that we want to discuss. There are lots of information that we want to share with you. Okay, and there is lots of opportunity we raise from this 2022 market. Okay, this is very interesting. This is place for you to make money actually. Okay, so saya bagi tahu insight macam tu je lah. Okay, but we want to see into the economic data that being released for our local boss, for our local economic situation. Kalau kita tengokkan kita punya CPI not that high, okay, not that high. Forecasted at 2.8, it goes up to 2.9, and macam baru-baru ni tengah viral dekat social media, sayur naik harga, barang naik harga, minyak je tak naik harga. Okay, minyak masak naik harga, telur naik harga, ayam naik harga, semua barang naik harga. Okay, apa dia? Minyak petrol tak, sebab apa, ada ceiling kan. So apa yang selebihnya being subsidized by the government, but it's okay lah. Okay, so we can see actually, okay, we can see the inflation situation. Okay, inflation situation is happening all over the world. Luckily in Malaysia, we're not facing that high inflation punya situation, but obviously the price of goods still will go up, no matter what. No matter what. We can see about the global supply chain. Yeah, that's one thing. Our ringgit actually, quite badly impacted juga, dan itu pun antara penyumbang kenapa barang-barang kita, terutamanya barang-barang makanan, sebab kita ni pengimport untuk barang-barang makanan. Jadi itu adalah satu perkara yang I think the government should take immediate action. Okay, I think there's a lot of incentive being done by the government currently, but I hope we can see, okay, additional orang kata intervention, intervention from the government to help with this issue, because for me, if the government can resolve this issue or can control this issue, okay, it will give benefit to them, okay, in term of the voters. Okay, ni bukan nak cakap politik sangat, okay, but it give the voters a confidence to the government, because you can cater on the supply chain and you can cater on the demand chain. So that's apa orang kata plus point. So kalau siapa-siapa yang ada jawatan political advisor ataupun any politician yang tengok kita punya session hari ni, okay, I think you can take this advice and help to run your campaign. Okay, right. So jam pun telah menunjukkan pukul 9.30 malam. Okay, so saya pun tak ada apa nak ulas panjang sangat pun. Kita pun ada berapa orang ni? Okay, kita ada lebih kurang dalam 30 orang, 50 orang yang kita tengok tadi peak untuk kita punya viewers kita. Okay, so tak sampailah. Okay, target saya 100 orang. So saya akan mengutarakan janji saya. Jangan risau, saya akan mengutarakan janji saya. we know the market is not favorable, and we know there is rising concern about COVID cases, not necessarily in Malaysia only. Okay, I'm talking about the global punya sentiment and Malaysia punya sentiment. We can see from the data that I show you before. Malaysia sedang meningkat. Okay, it's slowly growing issue, and this issue is not just happening in Malaysia only, but it's happening all over the world. And this thing should be taken seriously by the policymaker. I hope policymaker they are taking immediate action. Okay, this is very serious part. Okay, political part, yes, I do understand that we have PRN Sarawak selepas ni. Bila PRN Sarawak? Disember kan? Disember PRN Sarawak. Okay. Yeah, the political part I okay je, as long as you tak buat benda-benda yang pelik. Okay. Tapi ini ada isu yang lebih besar. Okay, ini ada isu lebih besar. And I hope you as a policy maker, you are making wise judgment. I know you want to stay relevant, you want to stay in power, but if you do not tackle this issue, my concern is you may not have power anymore. Okay, and this is very crucial moment. Don't make mistake. Alright, don't make a mistake. Alright, so thank you everyone for attending today. Okay, and macam saya cakap tadi, okay, concerning rising concern about COVID cases in the global punya situation. And kalau kita tengokkan sesi hari ini, kebanyakan healthcare sector yang sedang meningkat. Dan I think even though the data is not showing favorable for healthcare sector, but for short term punya sentiment, I think there is short term sentiment play for healthcare sector. Okay, with that saya tinggalkan tuan-tuan dan puan dengan nak pantun pun tak pandai. Saya tinggalkan tuan-tuan dan puan dengan wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Okay, kita jumpa lagi minggu depan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.